Today's plan is to build out of Lego everything I see. And what do I see? Through dark glasses. Awesome, that's my reference. Perfect. Luckily, I've got a few black pieces lying around. Let's build the lenses, so no one can tell I'm actually sleeping behind them. Temples so they don't rub my ears. And a few glares to make them look more real. There. Maybe I should sell this idea to Balenciaga. 3,000 bucks. Try-on time. The finishing touch. Here's the llama and we're done. What? A football helmet? Why? Wanna play? That's a basketball. Are you okay? Ugh, I have to do everything myself. I could just Google it real quick or ask ChatGPT what kind of ball is used in American football. Easy. Luckily, I've got enough brown parts for an entire football league. You can even see the laces. And voila, time to play. Let's go. I'm ready to destroy this field. Or maybe my neck is about to get destroyed by this helmet. 1, 2, 1, 2. Phew, I'm ready. So, who's this rookie up against me?
Who wants to face the daddy of football?
Okay, calling him a rookie may have been a mistake. All right, focus. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Oh, higher powers, help me.
Run.
Eat dust, you football rag. Go. I'm running. I'm running. Mom, I'm running. Almost there. Ouch. My neck. Huh? Who am I? Where am I? Am I in heaven? Yep, and I'm your angel. Hey, what are you doing? All right, come on, play. Move it, you turtle. Come on. Maybe it's just a faulty gamepad. Or the console. What do I do? I think I've got an idea. Or not really. Okay, I'll show them how to build a proper console. Step by step, layer by layer. On this PlayStation, I'm not losing to anyone. Not that I'll win either. And done. Phew, I'm kinda tired now. Oh right, this won't work either. Fine, I'll handle the gamepad too. If anyone at Sony is watching, need an employee? Please, I want to move out of my parents' place. Looks just like the real thing, right? Maybe I should build myself a wife too. Getting off track here. Let's test this baby out. Plugging in. Finally, I can actually play. Now that's more like it. Ooh, maybe I should craft a blanket and pillow. Nah, let's keep playing. Time for a snack. French fries, the timeless classic. The Mozart of fast food.
Yeah, boy.
And of course, as they say, the burger is the staff of life.
Finger licking good.
And now a drink. I'm not eating this dry. Perfect. What a carbohydrate-packed diet. And 0 calories. Can you believe it? What's up, bro? Eating your plain old McSomething? So last year. Try something new. Well. Oh gosh, that smell. All right, classic burger's not bad either. Come to me, baby.
Oh my.
Delish.
What? What kind of nonsense is this? What even is this? Ew. What did you give me? Think I'm dumb, bro? Eat your own delicious treat.
As you wish. Come on, Mario, run. Princess Peach is waiting for her date. Wait! The cosplay fest is coming up, and I don't have a costume. Gotta move fast. Fingers crossed the judges like my creative spin. I'm like Steve with my Lego menu. Alright, this is gonna be the best Mario cosplay ever. I swear. Gotta practice my Italian accent and stop shaving the mustache. One more lap. You get it. Now the logo. And the final step, the visor. 1, 2, and done. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. Comic-Con, here I come. So, what do you think? Comment below. I'm gonna finish my game now.
Hello.
Time to kick the ball again. Watch out, competitors. Ronaldo. But, I'm not really in the mood to get up from my chair. Let's make a tabletop soccer game. Let's mark out the future field. Not to be confused with alien crop circles. Add the goals and the sides. And now let's build the hinges for our players. All right, today's match. Lego men versus minions.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Hey, Steve, look. Not now, bro. Aw, come on, let's go. Now that's what I'm talking about. Who taught you how to play? You did. Oh, right. Move it. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Goal! Now that golden tabletop ball is yours.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.
Now for a musical break. They release a new model of AirPods every year, so why can't I? These aren't just Pro, they're Air Nike Pro. Maybe I'm the reincarnation of Steve Jobs. Now time to plug them in. Let's see. The sound. Insane! What song should I play? Oh yeah, that's a banger. Okay, enough for today. Time to upgrade my wardrobe. Whoa, Nike and Lego collab? That's the dream collab. But wait, I don't remember having a spare 150 bucks. Yeah, not much. Well then, let's hope no one notices it's fake. Let's see. I want red ones. You're literally walking in Lego pieces. Now that's design. Second Balenciaga idea of the day. There's a fashion designer dying inside me. Time to lace up. Just like that.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
Now let's tie them. There. And barely painful. Can you believe it? Okay, maybe just a little. Ouch. Who am I kidding? Total disaster, bro. Do you ever get a sudden urge to play golf? No time to waste. Let's make a golf ball. Did you know real golf balls have 333 dimples? But really, who's counting?
1, 2.
What do you say, guys? Let's test it. But not so fast. Lego ball equals Lego club. Hold on. Patience, gentlemen. We need a lot of long pieces. And the club is ready. Now let's get started. I wonder, could I beat Donald Trump?
Fake news.
What do you think? I love the smell of Lego in the morning. 1, 2. Oops. Well, that happened. Looks like a technical victory. Not bad. But I'm tired of waffles. It's summer after all. Ice cream season. Need a bigger scoop. And in case you're wondering, yes, I'll be just fine. Something's missing. Of course. The cherry on top. In our case, on the cone.
That's for me.
Hey, fine. I didn't want it anyway. Steve is so petty. Need to hide my food better. You won't find it here.
Move it.
You're so young and tasty. Why? Life's unfair. All right, pull it together. Enough sadness. I'm going to make the kind of ice cream everyone will envy. First, I'll build. No, it's not what you think, I swear.
Oh, poop.
Just be patient. This is a cone, seriously. Now the yummy part. I'll make the biggest scoop ever. Or a cube, to be precise. There. Even made it drip for realism. Now let's put it all together. Ta-da! All good.
Nice.
No. There's something even better. You can have it. What time is it? That's right. Time to make a Lego watch. I think I've got everything I need here. What a mess. Oh, these are the pieces I was looking for. They'll make a great strap. Over here. Just look at it. Apple Watch is old news. This is something else entirely. All right, let's try it on. There, looks like the real thing. A real watch without a battery.
Time to stop.
cup is getting kinda boring. I've been wanting to replace it. What have we got here? Yep, everything I need for a Lego mug. 5 o'clock. Time for tea. Now, where was I? Oh, right. I'm an optimist, so the cup is already half full. Just need the other half. There. Looks like it's from Grandma's fancy china set.
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my...
The kind you only drink from on holidays. You can never have too much tea, and a bit of sugar. Let's taste. Uh-oh, we might have a leak problem. Well, this set belongs on a shelf only anyway.